breaking at the top of this hour, and India Today exclusive. Telangana DGP speaks to India Today on the Rohit Vemula case. He says there are some doubts in the report. We will request court to have a relook into the case. He says that we will find out if the investigation officer didn't bring it to the notice of higher-ups. Investigation was over long back during the previous BRS-led government. Listen in to this exclusive conversation that the Telangana DGP had with my colleague Nagarjun Dwarkanath.
No, the details are as per the notice only that we would be, there are some doubts expressed, so we will request the court to give us permission to have a relook. And based on the results which come out, action will be taken accordingly.
Sir, there are reports that the investigation officer went and gave the report to the court without telling the higher-ups. Is it true, sir?
That we'll find out now.
Okay. And just on some clarity on the dates, sir, when was this investigation over, sir? Is it during the Congress tenure or the previous BRS tenure, sir? Sir?
Hello, 1 second.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please tell me now.
So, the investigation was over in March is what it was said. So, the report was filed in March 2024 now. When was the investigation over, sir?
Investigation was over long back.
Okay, in the previous government itself.
Yes.
My colleague Nagarjun Dwarkanath, who spoke exclusively with Telangana DGP, who's confirmed that the police will be approaching a court seeking permission to further investigate the case in which they've already filed a closure report, is joining us over the phone line right now. Nagarjun, it appears that the Telangana government has been caught a little unaware by this closure report which has been filed, which has brought a huge turnaround as far as this case is concerned, where the closure report says that Rohit Vemula, in fact, died by suicide because he feared that his true caste, which was not that of a Dalit, would be disclosed in the course of things. It would impact his academics and his degrees as well. The Congress government seems to have been caught on the back foot.
Well, good morning, Pauline. In fact, that's true that Congress government was caught unawares till late last evening, if I'm told. As per the sources within the government, it was the system which went and filed the closure report in front of the government, and the investigation was done during the BRS government, and no one briefed the present government or the higher-ups in the system as to what was the closure report. The investigation officer, because the court kept reminding to file the closure report, went to the court and filed a closure report, and it was not briefed to the higher-ups is what we are told. Now the DGP has come on record and has said that we would be requesting the court to give us a chance to relook into the case. Let's see what will the court say, and the moment it gives us the permission, we will definitely relook into the case. And also he has said the closure report was done in the BRS government and not in the present tenure. Only the submission was done now, but the closure report, the investigation details was completely done during the BRS government.
Right. Nagarjun, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. Nagarjun Dwarkanath there, bringing us that exclusive conversation with Telangana's DGP. Big twist in the Rohit Vemula suicide case probe after Telangana police filed a closure report saying that Rohit Vemula claimed to be a Dalit but was not. Protests have broken out in Hyderabad. Rohit's family has also expressed doubts over probe conducted. Following this, Telangana DGP has said that it has been decided to conduct further investigation into the case. A petition will be filed in court concerned and requesting the magistrate to permit further investigation into the case. The Telangana police filed a closure report concluding its probe, suggesting that Vemula's suicide was driven by the fear of his true caste being disclosed, as he identified himself as belonging to the scheduled caste category. Meanwhile, the BJP has targeted the Congress, accusing Rahul Gandhi of attempting to incite ethnic violence by claiming that Vemula killed himself because he was Dalit.
The students of the University of Hyderabad have already gathered here and looks like they have a lot to say. Sir, right now a lot of you have arrived here right outside the University of Hyderabad. What are your demands?
Yesterday evening, we got to know through the court that a closure report has been filed by the Telangana police with the case that was filed by the affected students who were suspended along with Rohit. as Amendment of Suicide and SC/ST Atrocity Prevention Act against the then Vice Chancellor Appa Rao, Smriti Irani, Bandaru Dattatreya, Ramchandra Rao, and Sushil Kumar. What has happened is that the Telangana police, instead of investigating into Amendment of Suicide and the Prevention of SC/ST Atrocity Act, has gone in depth to assassinate the character of Rohit, his mother, and Ambedkarite students in University of Hyderabad.
जुड़े हैं सर, आप एक्यूज 3 थे रोहित वेमुला के केस में जो बहुत ज्यादा सुर्खियां पकड़ा था 2016 में। आपको एक्यूज 3 इस केस में बनाया गया था। आज क्लोजर पिटिशन में पुलिस ने ये बताया है कि उनकी आत्महत्या की वजह उनका कास्ट गलत बताना उनकी वजह थी और दूसरा कोई वजह इसमें नजर नहीं आई है। इस पर क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, मैं उनके जाति के मामले में नहीं जाना चाहता हूं। मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं कि ये सारा जो हादसा हुआ है, एक ब्राइट स्टूडेंट अपनी खुदकुशी की है और वो ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था। ये बहुत दुर्भाग्य की बात है और हमारी जो सारी सहानुभूति है उनके परिवार के साथ, उनके साथ है। दूसरी बात ये रही कि इसको जो है बहुत ज़्यादा उछाला गया है, जो सच्चाई से दूर जाकर इसको राजनीतिकरण किया गया था इस मुद्दे को, और उस पर जाकर हम जैसे लोगों को उसमें एक अभियुक्त बनाया गया ताकि हमारी कोई भूमिका नहीं है, हमारा उससे कोई संबंध नहीं है। लेकिन जब एक विद्यार्थी खुदकुशी कर लेता है किसी भी कारण हो, हम उसके साथ हमारी सहानुभूति रहती है।
वो दलित थे या नहीं थे ये कोई इशू नहीं था। इशू ये था हमारे लिए कि एक देश का युवा आत्महत्या करने को क्यों मजबूर हो रहा है, ऐसी कौन सी परिस्थितियां बन गई। एक केंद्र सरकार की तरह हम संवेदनशील थे उस वक्त भी और आज भी हैं, लेकिन तो सवाल उन लोगों पे उठना चाहिए कि इसी रोहित वेमुला के चक्कर में 1.5 महीने पार्लियामेंट नहीं चलने दिया गया था। कहा गया था कि दलित विरोधी है नरेंद्र मोदी, आदिवासी विरोधी है नरेंद्र मोदी। यही राहुल गांधी थे, ये फर्जी झूठे राहुल गांधी उस वक्त नाटक कर रहे थे। आज उन्हीं की सरकार है ना, कांग्रेस की सरकार है। गलती से ये रिपोर्ट फाइल हो गई है, चीफ मिनिस्टर के पास नहीं गई होगी, नहीं तो ये रिपोर्ट फाइल नहीं करने देते। अब हो सकता है कल रिव्यू के बहाने मंगवा लें ये रिपोर्ट। लेकिन आप सोचिए कि किसी भी एक युवा भविष्य की मौत पर ये राजनीतिक रोटी सेकते हैं।
जो प्रोपेगेंडा फैलाने वाली राजनीति भारत में नए तरीके से विपक्ष पिछले 7-8 सालों में कर रहा है, उसमें ये भी एक केस बहुत बड़ा उदाहरण था। किस तरीके से पूरा विपक्ष सत्ता पक्ष को घेर रहा था, सत्ता पक्ष के लीडरों को लगातार टारगेट कर रहा था, उनकी इमेज को ख़राब कर रहा था। मुझे लगता है कि माफ़ी तो मांगना ही पड़ेगा, लेकिन इस तरह की राजनीति करके और लगातार उसी कंटिन्यूएशन में राजनीति हो रही है।